we have abandoned Chiang Rai and we've now arrived in Krabi, which is one of the most unbelievable places I've ever been before. Kind of work our way around the island and get a few drone shots and stuff, so come on. So we're just walking out here on this jetty. We're in Onang Landmark Night Market, which is right beside the Thai boxing stadium. So you can get some food and watch the fights at the same time if you're interested. So Onang has a lot to offer at night as well as during the day. There is an abundance of food here. You can literally get anything from crocodile heads to steamed gyozas. We found some guns and we're about to have some friendly competition. Have it sussed. I know the aim.
How many bullets do you have left?
One.
Last bullet.
Which one? Green one, yeah?
Yes.
So these carnival games, the sights on the guns are always off. I've watched enough YouTube videos to know this. So when you figure out what way you're missing, you can figure out how to hit the target, and that's what happened here tonight. So Emma's getting a prize for herself now. Our hotel pool has a water slide. Today is our last day in Krabi and we've decided we're going to go to Railay Beach, which we have been to before, but it's one of the most beautiful beaches in Onang and I can't wait to go there. So we've arrived on Railay Beach here. The sun is out, it's absolutely unbelievable, and it's our last day in Krabi before we have to go to Bangkok. So what a day for it. Look at this place, it's unbelievable. We're gonna go around to the other side of this big rock here to Phra Nang Cave, I think, if I remember correctly. That's it for Krabi. Easily one of the best places in Thailand. Absolutely my favorite, I think, to be honest. If you've been enjoying the videos, drop us a follow, give us a few likes, and we'll catch you in the next one.